Hello and welcome to the Quilt Addicts Anonymous Beginner Quilting Video Tutorial Series. I'm Stephanie Soebbing and this video tutorial series is sponsored by QT Fabrics. I am so excited about this beginner quilting video tutorial series. We really go in depth. It's basically the same thing as taking a class from me one-on-one, but it's completely free and you can watch it as many times as you need to on YouTube or on our website, quiltaddictsanonymous.com. We're going to go over all the stuff you need. We're going to show you how to read a pattern. We're going to talk about different fabric substrates, what they mean, and what's the difference between the fabric you'll find at a quilt shop or a big box store. We're going to show you how to cut your fabric properly. We're going to show you 3 different ways to sew a 1/4 inch seam. We're going to show you how to make a split 9 patch, which is the block that is in this pattern to go along with this video tutorial series. I'm going to show you how to speed everything up by chain piecing. I'm going to show you how to assemble a quilt top. I'm going to show you how to layer and baste everything. And then I'm going to show you how to do walking foot quilting, both straight and curvy line on your own home sewing machine. I'm going to show you how to bind your quilt, and lastly we're going to talk about how to care for your quilt once you're finished with it. Make sure you head over to shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com to download the split 9 patch pattern that goes with this tutorial series. We're going to set a link straight to it down below. When you download it, we're also going to send you a coupon code where you can save on any of the supplies you need to go with this class. I really hope you enjoyed this video tutorial series, and again, a huge thanks to QT Fabrics for sponsoring this series. It wouldn't be possible without them. Thanks again, and get watching all those videos, and happy quilting.